Okay, mount your camera on a tripod. You can use portrait mode. After that, you now just walk into the scene. All right, look at what I am doing. Then you can just pick this phone and bring it up as if you are pressing something. All right, you can stay there for some few minutes or few seconds. You can see what I am doing, and after that you can now walk out. Okay, save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Okay, you're welcome to the tutorial. You want to click on CapCut now, new project, import your video to workspace. Don't forget to click on your video and go and locate volume. Okay, go and click on volume, reduce it to 0, mark on this good and go back. Let's locate where we want the video to start. Immediately you bring up this phone, click on it and make a split. Delete this first part, we don't need it again. Then you go to the ending part of the video. Before you walk out, click on the video, make a split, delete the last part. Then you come back now. All right, from this point you want to click on overlay, add overlay now. Then you click on photos, import this first mask. All right, import it. So we want to remove that right up there, so go and look for mask. Okay, locate mask. All right, so click on mask now, click on mask, click on rectangle, then you resize that mask. All right, after resizing it, click on this good now, then you go back. All right, so you go and look for remove BG. After you click it, locate remove BG, click on remove BG, chroma key, drag it to that green point, then you mark on this good and go back. Click it again now, click it again, go and look for adjust, click on adjust now, HSL, look for it, click it, click on that green, reduce saturation to 100%, mark on this good and go back. So you want to crop the mask now and take it, but I feel that this character is too far. I want to click it now to expound it. Then you click on the character layer, then you expound the character. We want to expound the character layer now. All right, click it, then you expound it. Good, this is good. Click on the mask again and take it up to his face, then you adjust it the way you want it to be. After that, now you come you move the video. After you move the video, click anywhere, add overlay for the second time. Then you import this second mask here, import it, click it and go and locate remove BG. All right, click on remove BG, chroma key, still drag it, mark on this good and go back. Locate adjust for the second time. As you click it, locate adjust, click on adjust, HSL, reduce saturation to 100%, mark on that good and go back. Still drag it to his face and adjust it the way you want it to be. After your necessary adjustment, you still move the video for the third time now. All right, move the video for the third time. We want to click on add overlay again, then you drag it, bring this third mask. All right, go and look for remove BG for the third time, click on it, chroma key, drag it, mark on this good and go back. You click it again, locate that adjust for the third time, you click it, HSL, reduce saturation to 100%, you mark on that good and go back. All right, so you take it, adjust it, then you click on this green screen and make it align with the others. After that you adjust it, then you move the video for the fourth time. Now let's bring in the last one. You click on add overlay right now, bring that first one, the one with horn. So you bring it, you look for remove BG, click on remove BG, chroma key, drag it like we did to the other three. Do the same thing to this one. All right, if you need any of this green screen, you can DM me, then I will send it to you. All right, any of them you need, DM me, I will send it to you. mark on that good and go back now. Then you click it and adjust it to align. After that, then you click it, then you take it up to his face. All right, but one thing you will know, after you drag it up now, this place have movement. All right, so you are going to be adding keyframe. Then you adjust the video so that the character move. This place have movement, so that we will use that key, all right, to do our necessary adjustments so as the character is moving, so that the mask will be moving with him. All right, so you do your necessary adjustment. As you can see what I am doing, this is how you want to apply your key with the movement of the character. Look at it, then adjust the mask now to cover his face. So this is what you will do until you get to the end. All right, let's do it gradually. Don't rush, just take your time. So as the character is moving, you are moving the mask so that the mask will play with the character. All right, but you are going to be doing that with this your keyframe. So by the time you get to the end now, we are going to be playing this video. Let us see what we have got so far. All right, so apply the last key now after your necessary adjustment here now. So look at it, you can see you can expound it, do all your necessary adjustment. Let's play it from the beginning. Let us see what we have got here so far. All right, good, this is good. Just calm down and play it. After playing it now, if what we have gotten is good, then we are going to be trimming that part, because you can see that the green screen is longer. So click it and trim it to come and align with this one. No, the green screen is what we want to trim, so click it, trim it to align with the main video at the end now. The next thing we are going to be doing now is we want to make this video look professional as it's playing. All right, so there is something we are going to be doing now. You will come back to the first layer, the first layer of the green screen. You click it now, bring it to the beginning. Then you are going to be clicking on splice. All right, click on splice now. Then you want to click on keyframe. Then you drag this line, drag it to 0. All right, drag it to 0. After dragging it to 0, you want to adjust the video now. Adjust it. No, still move. Get to that point. It moves more. From here, you want to reopen it again to 100%. Now let us see how it's going to play. Do you see the playing now looks professional than the first time? You do the same thing to this one. Click on splice, you add your keyframe. All right, as you add your keyframe, you adjust the video, then you adjust the line to the duration you want. You are the one that know what you want to achieve this place. All right, this place is according to your choice, but you need to add that professional move. All right, to come to this one and do the same thing. As you click it, you click on splice. All right, then you go and click your keyframe. Then you want to move the video, you move the video first. Thank you. Then you can now use the line, then you adjust it the way you want to adjust your own, the way you want your own to be. That will make this video now, as it's playing, it will look professional. Okay, then you go to the last one and do the same thing. Look at what I am doing. Calm down and do your own so that this video will look perfect and professional. So click on splice, like I've said, click on keyframe, then you adjust it the way you want it to be. All right, that is what we are going to do here. And after you finish applying them, you are going to be marking on that good to go back. Just do it. After that, mark on that good and go back. Let us play this video now from the beginning. But as this video is playing from here now, I am sure and I am convinced that this video is ready. All right, what will be remaining in this video now is to add your sound effect, your light effect, as the case may be. And after that, you can now export this video to your gallery. All right, but maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add those sound effects and every other effects I need in this video. I want you to put me through. Don't worry, at the description of this video, my number is there. All you need to do is just go and DM me, then I'll put you through on how to add all your necessary effects, and after that you can now export this your video to your gallery. All right. So what we are going to be doing here now is to export this video to our gallery. So you click on export now and export this video to your gallery. Even as it's exporting now, this video I've installed in your gallery, you can now share it to your social media handles. Okay, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Just go and locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, and just in case you need any of that green screen mask, just DM me, then I will send them to you. Okay, see you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.